snow in the street. Summit will be easy.
Blizzard of 2016. They call it Jonas for some reason. This is our apartment in there, and we have no heat. No, this whole building has no heat. Don't ask me how we're surviving. We'll let you know at a later date how we made it. Still coming down pretty hard. Doggy? It's pretty beautiful out here. I mean, these cars are buried. Except for that one. Someone dug it out. We forgot to put our windshield wipers up. I just remembered that now.
So don't be scared when life unfolds. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going to. So I'll get cowed.
How cold is Reverie? How cold is Reverie? How cold is Reverie? Look. Yeah, it's cold, huh? Hi.
Hi. Come on.
Today is dig out day. Nice job.
At least they could spell rhythm now. You saved me an A and E, so I owe you.
Hi. Snow tunnel. Wow, that's cool. Dig out day continued. There she is.
You didn't make it to church? You were late. So late.
Dozens of cousins that never fit in my schedule.
Going to find our car. Should be down here somewhere. Here it is. That's our car. Are we gonna dig it out today? We're gonna dig it out today?
Ready once.
Revs is on it. How you doing? Look at that in the back.
Daycare together. She goes to Miss Lister's.
Wait, who is
She's frozen.
This is Reverie.
Is Reverie at Miss?
She's been a couple times.
Oh, okay.
When she's
Our
got
son
it.
Finn is there at Miss.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Maybe check out
How
your
you
half pipe.
doing?
Right over that hole, yeah, you got it. Not too far.
Quiet there.
Oh, that's scary.
You guys are brave.
Let's go and get some hot chocolate.
How's it going? I give that 10. 9.9.
Yeah, we don't have heat.
Right now you don't have heat.
We have it Friday.
Are you kidding me?
No, it's crazy.
What are they doing?
Waiting on a part,
Yeah.
I guess. This is my husband, Jared.
Oh,
Hi.
hi.
Nice
Nice
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you. Babysit. It's your baby.
Well, it's still called babysit.
That's what I call it too. I got to babysit hers.
I'm like, that doesn't count.
You can't prove. You can't prove that it's his.
Why?
We know it came out of you.
Really? Look at that. You don't think that came out of him?
Okay, we want to go that way. Now, how do we get in there? Found our way in. What is this? This is a Mazda Miata in a snowstorm. I almost walked right by it. Because it's almost invisible. Is that your car? No. I think this is probably the end of our journey. What do you think? Thank you. Oh, warmness.